So hello and what's up guys, welcome back to this another brand new videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat keep crashing on 2021 if in your any Android mobile phone. So for that you have to go in your network connections and your network should be fine not so far, and after that you have to go in your data connection and your data connection should be on, not you have to make it off. So after doing this you have to go in your Play Store and make sure that your app should be updated. So guys, you have to go in your Play Store and you have to go in your profile. After going in profile you have to click for manage app and device. So after doing this, make sure that you have to update your apps. So guys, in my mobile I have updated all my apps and it's really work and it's really work proper. So guys, this is how you have to do. And after doing this you have to come back in your phones and you have to delete your Snapchat accounts. So guys, you have to delete your accounts and your apps. So after doing this you have to come in your phone and switch off your phones and switch on once. So guys, you have to switch off your mobiles, and doing this you have to reinstall the Snapchat and then log in into your account. The problem will be solved. So guys, this how you have to do if it have problem in your Snapchat keep crashing 2021. So guys, after doing this you have to go in your setting once. You have to go in your settings, and after going in settings you have to search for your app management. App manage management. After going into your app manage you have to go in your app list, and after going in your app list you have to search for a Snapchat account. So after going in Snapchat account, make sure that you have to click this force stop, and after clicking force stop you have to come in the storage users, and in the storage users you have to clear cache and clear data. So after clearing these two you have to come in the permissions, and in the permissions you have to click in storage and make sure that it should be allow, not Denny. So after doing this you have to come in your phones and it should be allow too, and here also in microphones it should be allow. So guys, this how you have to do in your mobiles. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit likes, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So thanks for watching the video.